in the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stare right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep and find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York. How's the mellow, boy? New York, New York. I wanna wake up in a city that never sleeps and find I'm a number one, top of the list, king of the hill, a number one. These little town blues are melting away. I'm gonna make a start of it, brand new start of it, in old New York. And if I can
Make it there.
I'm gonna make it anywhere in the middle of the ocean. It's up to you, New York, New York.
Oh yeah, folks, give it up for Alex from Mandeville, Louisiana. Give him a big woo-hoo. All right, awesome job. Who's been to New York in the room before? Anyone been to New York before? Oh yeah, beautiful city. All right, next we're gonna call on Chris.